All right, I got a video coming up shortly, not today probably. I gotta write it because it's a kind of a big deal to me. But it's about various school programs. So, mine that I was in was called TAG. It stands for Talented and Gifted. There's also GATE, Gifted and Talented Education. I believe that's what it stands for. But they're all the same thing. They're all just facets of, I believe, MK Ultra, and I will get into why I think that in another video. Anyway, for this one, I'd like to go over some misconceptions about space as I understand it to be told. Okay, so one of the arguments against space travel is the extreme heat that is caused by radiation, such as the Van Allen radiation belts, the solar radiation, etc. Now, full disclosure, I don't really think there is such thing as space travel. I think that's a fantastically created hoax to steal your money. And that's what they've been doing. So if you don't see that, I'm sorry, you've been duped. That's okay, not everybody can see the truth. Anyway, so one side of the argument is that there's no way a spacecraft could possibly withstand the temperature levels of space as they're purported. And then the other side, the side that supports space travel, says, no, well, it's not really temperature because there's no medium by which to transfer that temperature. That would be true, except for the fact that the alleged spaceship becomes the medium. So you're right, there's no medium around the ship. However, the ship itself is made of material which can transfer heat and does, and thus has a very predictable melting temperature at which it would fail, just like the Curie point at which magnets fail. I mean, everything has a temperature at which it fails. That's why jet fuel doesn't melt steel beams. So I am contending that the side of the space detractors, so to speak, is the correct side. I believe, or I should say, I think, because I don't believe it. Belief is the absence of knowledge, and I think the material of the ship would transfer the heat enough to cause failure, widespread failure, from the electronics within it to the cooling systems to the drinking water. I don't think any of that would withstand such energy. Let me know what you think. I'll have a lot of trolls. Bring it on, guys. Bring it on. You've never been there, so all you're doing is speculating just like I am. Peace.